There are three kids I'd like you to know. Martina, Mateo, Manolo. Although you will love them, I know, you will end up saying let them go. Martina is sometimes irritating. Mateo is always bullying. And though there's Manolo for you, you will still say, oh please let them go. But whenever you hear me say, Manolo, how can you ever let go? And then when you get to kiss Mateo, he will never let go. Martina is really an angel, but watch out, you're really in danger. 'Cause the moment she gives you that look, it's as if Pacquiao gave you the hook. Here are the three kids I got to know. Martina, Mateo, Manolo. And this is what I want them to know. Please don't go, please don't go, please don't go.
Do you stay?